Comme des Garçons is bringing runway flair to sneakers again with its AW2025 Nike collab, reworking the vintage Field General 82. Staying true to its minimalist aesthetic, CDG decks out the silhouette in black and white with warped, melting swooshes and wavy branding. Comme des Garçons Black logos accent the upper and sole, adding an experimental twist. While this isn't their first spin on the Field General, they dropped a translucent gum-soled version with market prints in Harajuku. The AW2025 iteration looks ready for a wider release. CDG's collabs have a history of reigniting interest in overlooked models like the Air Max DL2.5 and Pegasus 2K5, and this conceptual take might do the same. Streetwear energy meets high-fashion design, making this reinterpretation one to watch as the Nike Field General 82 gains new life with CDG's avant-garde touch.